Oh, that's funny.
I wasn't ready.
No, you weren't. Okay,
Just
Junior.
read it.
Let me know when you're ready, Jay.
Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. Say Junior.
Okay, one more time. Junior!
Hi!
Oh, that's a good one.
Can I see? Hold on. Whoa, I swung him around. Whoa.
Get down like I was.
Jay, that dog is awesomely cute.
Okay, put him down and do what I was doing. Yeah, move your head right next to his head. You're getting too excited for him. Maybe he's tired.
Ow! No, he's not. He's pretty cute, you know. Gotta admit. Adam, this is. Drop,
One thing
drop,
you'll learn
drop,
about
drop,
puppies,
drop,
they are always cute. Jay, stop. No. Stop it.
I'm trying. No biting.
Yeah, just grab him around the nose. And if you have to do it, put your fingers like right in between the two jaws and then let go.
Third place. Hey, where's the monkey? Where's the monkey, huh? Oh, there it is. He's so silly, Junior. He's so silly. Oh! What the heck was that?
8 weeks. He's not even in full puppy mode yet. Pretty good. We haven't had too many accidents.
He likes to play chase.